one major advantage of the figure is that A is easy to construct, B shows quantity and direction together, C is easy to interpret, D involves mathematical calculation. So we are looking for the major advantage of this figure, this flow map. What is a major advantage of the flow map? Now, option A says it's easy to construct. Now, note that this is an advantage, but we cannot consider this a major advantage because its ease of construction cannot be considered major in terms of it being an advantage. So it's being easy to construct doesn't really help our data analysis in any particular way. So B says it shows quantity and direction together. Now, showing quantity and direction can be considered major because of its significance. Now, if you take a look at the map, you can see that the number of lines represents specific number of people or passengers in this case. Now, that is showing quantity, and then it's also showing the direction of travel. So, for example, these lines between Izabo and Ashama shows the direction of travel between these two towns. So this can be considered a major advantage. It is easy to interpret, also a very good advantage, but cannot be considered major. So that is ruled out. And then it involves mathematical calculation, cannot be considered a major advantage. So the correct answer is B, shows quantity and direction together. This is considered a major advantage of the flow map. So B. So thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.